A lot of people think the first thing you do when you're shopping for a home is look at properties, and that is super fun. However, there are a few steps to take before you do the shopping part. I'm Mary Burruss with Lismore & Associates, and in this video, I explain the first 4 critical steps of home buying. Whether it's been a while since you bought your last home or you are a first-time home buyer, there are some important steps to take before you start looking. Number 1, make sure you're ready. How will you know? Well, you'll have a steady income source. Your credit score will be good. You'll have money for a down payment. You'll be willing to do or have the funds to pay someone to maintain the home. And you can afford the home that meets your needs in the location you like. Number 2, consult with a lender or two to find out if your finances are in the right order. A good lender will let you know how to get your finances in order if necessary. They'll also be able to tell you what types of loans are the best fit for you and your specific home buying needs. They'll be able to help you understand how much home you can comfortably afford. And you'll want to make sure that you choose a lender that best fits your needs and one you like. Number 3, interview a realtor or two. A good realtor will make sure that you're going to see all of your home buying options and that you're paying the right price and not too much. You'll want to feel comfortable with your realtor and feel that they're working in your best interest. They should be able to give you a big picture of what's happening in your local market and what your home buying experience might be like. Number 4, make a wish list for your ideal home and understand your whys. You'll have some specific requirements for your new home, like number of bedrooms for each family member, but there will also be things that you might want, like a big yard. There could be many reasons for wanting a big yard, so it's important to articulate your specific reasons to your realtor. For example, you might want a big yard so you can grow a cut flower garden, and so you'll need sun. Or you might want room to add a pool later, so you want to make sure there's flat land, and if there's an HOA that they allow you to have your own pool, and that, there's enough clear ground to support that. Or you might have a big dog that needs some space to run around. And so you also might have a specific type of fencing that will be required. That's it, the first 4 steps of home buying. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And if you or someone you know would like to buy or sell a home in Richmond, Virginia, or the surrounding area, I'd love to be the person to guide them or you through that process. You can reach out to me at maryburruss@lismore.com.